Come on!
Gary's timing is a little bit off. It's all about timing. His timing's a little off on that monster truck vertical weekly contest. Backing up, getting ready to get a good run at it, squaring up with the cars. Let's see if he can break the ground pounder.